is all about how you can shoot your video on a budget, because you don't need all this fancy and expensive camera or equipment. All you need to have is a smartphone. It could be an Android or an iPhone. You are good to go. Hello and thank you so much for watching. I am Ijaperigang, the mom on point. I'm an author, a public speaker, a writer, and an online business coach. I help people to convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. So if you are ready to take your business to the next level, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell sign so that you get latest notification on our video. So today I'm going to show you how to shoot your video with your smartphone or your Android phone or iPhone. All you need is a phone, a smartphone with you. And if you want to have more video on how to edit it, how to film your video, how to upload it on YouTube, I'm going to be giving series of videos. Just ask in the comment section or check the description of this video, because I decided to share with you because I recently hit 3,000 subscribers and some of you started asking me how did I do it in a short while, and I decided since 17th of this month is my birthday, so you can go ahead. Yes, thank you. Go ahead. You can start telling me congratulations in advance. So I decided that I'm going to share with you. I'm going to share about 7 or 8 videos explaining to you how you can film, how you can edit, how you can shoot, how you can upload, you can tag, and other background stuff on YouTube. So the first thing you need to have for you to film your video on a budget is you need a camera. And your camera, you can use a phone. Up until today, as I'm shooting this video, I don't have a fancy camera. I'm just using my phone. I have iPhone and Android, and this is the Android phone I have been using for a long time. It's recently that I even got an iPhone, so I've been using Android phone for a long time, and that is all I use to start. That's the first thing. Then the second thing you need to shoot a video on a budget is you need a tripod. But as I don't also have a tripod, what I use is my old handbag stand. So I just remove the stand and then I just fix it on this tripod, so, and with a selfie stick. So all I do is this, and then I now hook my selfie stick to film. But you'll be surprised that, okay, what am I now using right now? What I'm using right now, I just stock my books and I just hang my phone. The book is just supporting the phone, and that is what I'm using right now as we speak. So you can use just about anything as a tripod. You can also even use your laptop on a stool just to get a support for your phone not to be shaky. That's the second thing you need. The third thing you need is you need an exposure, as you can see, or lightning. Like what I do now, I open all my windows. I don't have any lights, although there are so many ring lights now that are even cheap, but I use natural light. So on that note, I ensure that I check my area, what time is the light. Like now it's just 10 a.m. that I'm shooting this video, so that is what I do. I just use natural light. I open the windows, so that is what I use for lighting. And again, the next thing you need also is microphone. But when I was using my Infinix Hot 4, the microphone, the inbuilt microphone was not that strong, so I bought this microphone. If you are watching me in Nigeria, I bought it 2,000 naira, but it's been long I use it because the Techno that I use now and the iPhone, the inbuilt microphone is just good, as you can hear me clearly right now. So all you need is your smartphone. That's why I say all you need is just a phone. So after you have done that, the next thing you need to do is to think about the content. What content are you going to be sharing? And then you start filming your video. So in my next video, I'll be sharing with you how to film your video, how you can position your camera, the camera posture. I'll also talk about camera style, because I moved from being Maikunya means the child type. That's what they call me while growing up, to this now that I can boldly speak to you without anything, without any paper, without fear, and I'm now a public speaker. So I'll also talk about that if you are the camera child type. So if you want to know more or you want to get more details, you can just check the description of this video. And of course, if you want to stay updated, don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you get latest on our video. So until I come your way again in the next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.